Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reduce file size in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your existing Canva design that you'd like to reduce the file size for. This could be any project you've been working on, whether it's a presentation, social media graphic, or document. Once your design is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the sharing options available for your design. From the menu that appears, click on Download. This will take you to the download settings where you'll have full control over how your file is exported and, most importantly, how large or small the final file will be. Now you'll see an option labeled File Type. Click on this menu to see all the available export formats. The format you choose here will significantly impact your final file size, so it's important to select wisely based on your needs. If you're working with an image format, you'll want to select either JPG or PNG from the File Type menu. Both are popular image formats, but they handle compression differently, which affects the final file size. After selecting your preferred image format, you'll notice a resolution or size slider appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Drag this slider to the left to reduce the file size. Moving it left decreases the resolution, which directly reduces how much space the file takes up on your device or when sharing online. You'll also see quality settings available. Select a lower quality setting if you need to reduce the file size even further. Just keep in mind that lowering the quality too much might affect how sharp or clear your image appears, so find a balance that works for your specific needs. It's worth noting that JPG files are more compressed than PNG files and usually produce a smaller file size overall. If file size is your primary concern and you don't need transparency in your image, JPG is typically the better choice. Now, if you're working with a document format such as PDF, the process is slightly different but just as straightforward. Open the File Type menu again, just like you did before. This time, select PDF from the list of available formats. PDFs are commonly used for documents, presentations, and files that need to maintain their formatting across different devices. Once you've selected PDF, you'll see a toggle labeled Compress PDF. Turn this toggle on to automatically reduce the file size of your PDF. This compression feature is specifically designed to make PDFs smaller without drastically affecting the quality of text and images inside the document. Finally, once you've decided which file type and settings work best for your needs, click the Download button. Your file will be processed and saved to your device with the reduced file size you've configured, and there you have it. You've successfully reduced your file size in Canva, making it easier to share, upload, or store your designs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.